Welcome to me there. My name is Mr. Emmanuel. This is how you can claim your Jupiter airdrop or your staking ASR reward. When you stake in Jupiter, you get your staking reward. But basically, this is another way you can make money from the crypto and the blockchain world. So I'm showing how you can claim. This video is just how to claim. If you want to know how to stake, I've done a video on that. You can check my YouTube channel on the video on how you can stake. This is for those who want to claim. If you have been staking, you want to claim, this is how you claim. So this is it. You just tap on claim. I went to vote.juke.ag. that is the website. You can ask me to paste it. If you need the link, I can paste it in the comment section. So once you are at vote.juke.ag, you will see the amount you want to claim. For this particular account, this is the voting summary, and this is the period between October to December 2024. That is last year. We voted. We vote what will happen on Jupiter. Jupiter is the Dex on Solana blockchain. So I was able to vote 3/4 votes here. So this is the reward for this account. You can have more than one account. So I'm using this account to show us. So this is called ASR reward, which is based on the staking reward. It simply means staking reward. These rewards are calculated based on your voting power and activity. Read our methodology here. If you want to know more, read here. You can tap here. So basically, I'm going straight to claim it. I will give you a breakdown how it works. So I'll tap on claim. So once you tap on claim, it will load and ask you to confirm. You need to tap here to confirm the transaction. Confirm with some Solana gas fee. You have successfully claimed staked Jupiter token. So I have successfully claimed this one. The next one now is to claim DBR. Most time they also give us reward with other coins apart of Jupiter. This is one thing good about Jupiter. Jupiter is one of the leading DEX, decentralized exchange, in the Solana ecosystem. The other one is Radium, but Jupiter, it seems to be overtaking Radium. Overtaking is allowed. So come to Jupiter if you want to get more. You can see there's another claiming here, DBR. This is Debridge, I believe. I'll check it. It's a new coin that I'm just in it, and I believe maybe Debridge coin. Another one in town exchange, latest exchange in the blockchain. I think Debridge is where you can easily swap from every chain. You can swap from from Solana network to Ethereum network to Binance network in milliseconds. Man, guys are doing many techs in this world. So I mean, this is their own coin. So I'm claiming it here too, based on my ASR. So tap on claim. Waiting for wallet to sign. Confirm transaction. Now click on confirm here. Processing. You have successfully claimed DBR token. So I've claimed them. This one is claimed. This DBR, you can see it show claim, means this one will enter my wallet. Here I will check it in a short while. But this Jupiter I just claimed it, you can see it showing view. If I tap on view, let's see where it will take us to. It was automatically added to the one I staked in this account. That's how they do it. Jupiter is holding us to become long-term holders. So it will not enter my wallet. It will automatically staked. You see, for this account, the amount was not up to this. So over time, when they give you reward, they want you to restake it. It's automatic. But if I want to unstake it, I can unstake here, and it takes 30 days to unstake. That make it a solid DEX, because you cannot fluctuate it anyhow. That 30 days is good for the blockchain sustainability. So now let me go to the wallet. This is where I tap on wallet here. I refresh, this account is on red, so but it still come on to green. So this is the Debridge. This is the Debridge. I think I will check out on this coin, though the coin seems to be done now, but I believe this is another great exchange. Debridge is a bridge that moves at light speed. Can you what I said before? Debridge is a bid that moves at light speed with zero lock liquidity or liquidity pools. Debridge enables value and information to flow. Can I show more here and just give you more update? Anywhere, virtually instantly with deep liquidity and guaranteed rate. So Debridge, this airdrop that they just gave us, you can see it's cheap now, but I'm telling you, if I leave this coin the next 1 month, 2 months, the way to fly because of the utility behind Debridge. It's one that I've used. It's one of the fastest inter-blockchain swaps. If you want to swap from BNB to Solana instantly, you know, before if you want to swap BNB, maybe you have USDT in BNB, you want to swap it to Ethereum, you need to withdraw it and go to other exchange and go and trade. But with a Debridge, it's an instant speed light. So this is basically how you can do that. So thank you for watching. Remember to join my Telegram channel and WhatsApp. You can see my WhatsApp number to chat me. I remain Mr. Emmanuel Luke from Media Official, and meet you in the next video.